Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in two variables. Exercise 3.1, first sum. Form a pair of linear equation from the following word problem. This is the word problem given in the problem, given in the question. Here we need to find the solution using which technique? Graphical technique. Okay, it is a very easy technique. So let us start with the first subdivision. First sum, first subdivision. Here we need two pair of equation with two variables. First we need to understand the question. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls and number of boys, okay, let x be the number of girls, okay, y be the number of boys. We have assumed that the first equation should be the 10 students in an class 10, the overall, therefore the number in which should be x plus y, the girls plus boys, is equal to 10. It should be the equation number 1. The second equation, it is specified that if the number of girls is equal to 4 more than the boys, which is girls we have been specified as x, is means equal to 4 more than the boys, boys plus 4, boys would have 4 adhigam, which means y plus 4. Therefore we write x minus y equal to 4, which is the second equation. Here we need to find the values of x and y so that we can find the number of boys and number of girls took the quiz. Okay, here we need to use graphical technique. First equation, x plus y equal to 10. As I said, I will be using the small technique, which is x, y, assuming diagonal zeros. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y equal to 10. When y equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Okay, 10, 10. Easily understood. Next point, x minus y equal to 4. X, y, 0, 0. When x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 4. When y equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Minus 4, 4. Okay, it is easily understood. Now we need to draw the graph. Here we need 10, therefore we should take 11 at least. At minus x direction, no limit, you can draw up to anywhere. Positive x limit, we need 10. X, y, this is y dash, x dash 0 scale, which is x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, easily understood. Draw the graph very neatly so that no wrong things will happen. The points will be 0, 10, 10, 0, 0, -4, 4, 0. Okay, first we will draw the x plus y graph. 0, 10. Here the point will be. Next 10, 0. Here the point will be. Okay. Draw the straight line. Okay. Next 0, -4. Here the point will be. 4, 0. Here the point will be. Draw the straight line. See that there will be a straight line from 7. Here the value will be 3, I suppose. The correct value of this will be 7, 3. Okay. Therefore, this equation is x plus y equal to 10. This equation is x minus y equal to 4. Okay. We have plotted all the graphs and all the points. So we found the solution that 7, 3. Therefore, the solution is solution is 7, 3. Therefore, number of girls is equal to 7, number of boys is equal to 3. Okay, first subdivision gets over here. It should be straight clear, that's 3, 7. Okay. Next, here we let the next sum we assume that x as the pencil, y as the pen. So we directly gets the two equation and we will be performing the task graphically. Next, second subdivision. Let x be number of, here mentioning that cost, therefore cost of one pencil, okay, is rupees x. Y be cost of one pen is rupees y. Therefore, from first sentence you can write that 5 pencil 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Next, first equation, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Second equation. Okay, it is very easy. Then we need to perform the graphical technique, so we will be taking the values. Let's take the values to be first point, first graph. 7y is equal to 50. X, y. Okay. Y can be 0. Correct. Y 0 means 10 will get. But x 0 means 7 table, it will not be divisible. So we should think in other point of views. Okay. it should be divisible by 7. Let's take 3. Okay, when x is equal to 3, substitute it. 5 into 3 plus 7y is equal to 50. 15 plus 7y is equal to 50. 7y is equal to 50 minus 15, which is 7y equal to 35. Y is equal to 5. 5. Okay, there are 2 points. Next equation, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Here from this equation we cannot take 0 in both, as if x is equal to 0, 46 by 5 we get some value. Y equal to 0, 7x is equal to 76, x is equal to 76 by 7, we get a point. Plotting point is very difficult. So I advise you to take the values which is divisible. Let's take x as 3. When x is equal to 3, 7 3s are 21, plus 5y is equal to 46. 5y is equal to 46 minus 21, which is 25. Therefore 5y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 5. Like this, we need to find another point which gets without fraction, but finding it is very difficult, so we take 0 itself as a value. Okay, then what happens when y equal to 0? 7x is equal to 46, x is equal to 46 by 7, which is equal to 6.57. Let's take 6.5. Okay, then we need to draw the graph. It is also a very easy sum. Okay, y point of view, we need only small values. Okay, it will be x, y, down will be y dash. Okay, this will be x dash. Scale value, the previous scale itself, x axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, y axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, first point 3 comma 5. First we need to write numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -9, -10, -11, -12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16. Okay. Draw it very elaborately, not too congested. Okay. The points is 3, 5. 3. The value of 5 will be 1, 2, 3. 1. We took 1 as year. Okay, this point is not valid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the point is here. Next, 10 comma 0. 10 comma 0 means here. Okay, draw the straight line. Next, 3 comma 5. We already plotted. 6.5, it will be here. Therefore, both the line intersect at 3 comma 5. Here the point is 6.5 comma 0. Here the point is 10 comma 0. This equation is 5x plus 7y equal to 10. This equation will be 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Okay. The solution is 3 comma 5. Okay. Here the solution is 3 comma 5. Therefore, the cost of one pencil is rupees 3. The cost of one pen is rupees 5. Okay, it is easily understood. Thank you.